Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tuhin24. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to solve present value, future value, present value of annuity and future value of annuity in Excel. These are important financial calculations that can help you make better decisions about investment, loans and other financial matters. First, let's start with the basics. Present value is the current value of a future sum of money discounted by a certain rate of return, right? So now let's dive into Excel and see how to perform these calculations. I'll be using the present value, future value, or which is called PV, SV, PVA, FVA functions in Excel to show how it's done. I will also be providing step-by-step instruction. Okay, so now we will solve the present value. So we can see there FV 25,000, year 5 rate 6%. Now we have to put equal, then PV, then first bracket, then we can see rate and per payment, etc. So here the rate is 6%. We have to click in, select the 6% column, and then we have to select the end per, which is called year 5. Then we have to put a comma, then we have to put the payment. As we can see, there is no payment, so we have to put 0 value, and we have to put now FV in the negative value. So minus, then FB, which is called 25,000. Then we have to put 0 as it is end of the period. So now we have to close the bracket, and if we just enter, then we can see the value. So it is 18,681. Okay, so now we will solve another problem, FB. So to solve the problem, we have to put equal, then we have to put FV, and we have to put first bracket, then we can see rate 6%, then we have to put comma, then end per year, which is 4, then we have to put comma, then we have, there is no payment, so we have to put 0, then we have to put present value in minus figure, so we have to present value 20,000, then we have to put that, and now we have to put 0. So now we have to close the bracket, and if we just type in enter, then we can see the value. So it is 25,249.54. That's